Hello, children. Today we will do another important topic of English grammar. Rather, I would say it is not only the important topic, it is the base of English functional grammar. Okay, so here we go. Today's topic is sentence. I will tell you what is a sentence and what are its types. Before I tell you the definition of sentence, I tell you the definition of phrase. See, phrase means a group of words with a sense, with a meaning only. Means like in the morning. Now, here it is a phrase. It does not give you complete sense, it gives you only sense. In the same way, like at dawn, at sunset, in the evening. Okay, so these are just phrases, these do not give you complete sense. But if there is a group of words that gives you complete sense without any question, that is a sentence. Okay, like I went to school in the morning. Okay, so this is a complete sense. Or I write a letter daily. This is complete sense. So when you have this kind of sentences that give you complete sense, these are sentences. Okay, the topic sentence, it does not stop here only. You feel it is just the beginning. Okay, next it is like what are the parts of sentences. Okay, means how do we, or you can say in how many parts do we divide a sentence. Basically, sentence, it is divided into two parts. First is subject and the second is predicate. Okay, subject and predicate. See, this thing the students, they keep on doing, like the moment they enter in 6th class, or when they move up to secondary classes up to 10th, so they keep on doing such kind of things in their other languages also, like in Hindi and Sanskrit. Okay, so here I would like to quote those particular words that their Hindi teacher, their Sanskrit teacher might have told them. Subject means uddeshya, predicate is that vidheya, subject is that karta. Okay, so I tell you its detail. Now listen it very very carefully. Listen carefully. I told you subject is the doer of the action, the person who does some activity, or the things about which we tell something in the sentence. The person who is involved in the activity or the things about which something is, like something which we tell about a particular thing, that is subject. What do we tell about? Clear? Or who is the doer of the action? That is the thing we do in subject. Listen. Subject. Listen. I do it daily. I do it daily. So I is subject. Clear? He speaks English. Speaks is verb, but what is this thing? He. He is the person who does some activity. So here he is subject. Now listen. This book is very nice. We are talking about this book. This is subject. The earth is round. We are talking about the earth. The earth is subject. Okay. So when we tell about something, so that something is subject. Or when the doer of action, okay, when we refer to doer or when we refer to the things which is told, these are subject. Okay. Karta, like who does some activity. Clear? Now the thing is predicate. Predicate, I told you, in Hindi it is known as vidheya. Okay. Object is something else. Object is the part of this predicate. So now predicate. Predicate, it is that thing which the subject does. It is that thing which we explain about a particular thing. Listen. She likes swimming. She likes swimming. So here the word she, it is a subject, and whatever that is told about the subject, this is predicate. Clear? One more thing, like the sun shines brightly. So the sun here, it is subject, but whatever that we tell about sun, it is predicate. Clear? So whatever means, when we explain about the doer, it is subject, and whatever we explain about the doer, that is predicate. Clear? Sometimes the subject, it may be of more than two or three words. Okay. It is not limited to only one word or two words. It may be more than that. Okay. I'll give you that example also. Listen. The first boy there. The first boy there is my son. Okay, so we have explained this thing. So this explanation, it is predicate, and whatever that we have told here, this is subject. Okay, like the first prime minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So the first prime minister of India, this is subject, and whatever we explain, that is predicate. Clear? So in this way, whatever you explain about something, so that explanation is known as predicate. When you refer to the doer of action, it is subject. Clear? I hope you understood the things well. Very quickly I'll be explaining how many types of sentences are there in common. Clear? I'll be coming to you very soon. Okay, goodbye.